In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. If your credit card doesn't connect automatically or you prefer working from a file your bank provides, this process will get your transactions into QuickBooks quickly and cleanly. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded the most recent statement file from your credit card's website. QuickBooks works best with CSV, QBO, or OX formats. If you're using CSV, keep it simple. One column for the date, one for the description, and one for the amount. Also, check your date format so it matches what QuickBooks expects. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, go to the left navigation and open Accounting. This is where we'll organize the account that will hold your imported transactions. Look for the small drop-down arrow related to banking or account actions. That arrow expands options you don't always see at first glance and is the quickest way to reach the upload tool. Choose Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks you'll supply a file from your computer instead of connecting to your bank directly. On the upload screen, you'll see a place to choose the account that these transactions should feed into. You might see a default like cash appear there. Since we're bringing in a credit card, we don't want to post to a cash account. Open that account chooser and select Add New. We're creating a proper credit card register so your balances and reconciliations work correctly. In the account name field, type a clear, specific name for this card, such as the bank name and the last 4 digits. Clear naming helps you avoid confusion later, especially if you manage multiple cards. For account type, select credit card. This setting is important because it controls how QuickBooks treats payments, charges, and the running balance. When you're done, click Save to create the account and return to the upload flow. Now choose Upload from this device. Browse to your statement file, select it, and confirm. If you see any prompts about columns or date formats, follow the on-screen guidance. QuickBooks will help you align your file so each transaction lands in the right place. A quick tip to prevent duplicates. Download a date range you haven't already imported, or if you must overlap, be ready to exclude any repeats during the review stage. That's it for the import setup. After the file processes, your transactions will be ready to categorize in QuickBooks, keeping your credit card activity accurate and up to date. If anything looks off, revisit your file formatting or verify you chose the correct credit card account before importing.